वास्को रेल्वे स्थाकावयल्यान सुटपी अमरावती एक्सप्रेसांतल्यान परवान्या बगर व्हरपी सोऱ्याच्या बाटल्यो पुलिशेन जप्त केल्यात. सुमार 35,000चो सोरो जप्त केला. ह्या संदर्भात 2 प्रवाशांक पुलिशेन ताब्यात घेतल्या. तशेंच 95 सोऱ्याच्यो बाटल्यो धरल्यात. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Today, as the Vasco Railway police and staff were patrolling on the Vasco railway station, we found 5 passengers, out of which 2 passengers, they were all tourists over here, they were from Telangana, and 2 of the tourists were carrying big bags. So when the bags were checked, we found 95 bottles of different types of liquor, each bottle of 750 ml. This is worth more than 30,000 rupees. So they did not have any permit, neither had they had any documentation for possession of such huge amount of liquid. So we have seized this along with these persons. We have taken them in custody. We have seized all the 95 bottles of different type of liquor, and we are in the process of forwarding them to the excise department for action in this matter.